Marsala in West Sicily. The weather they promised just came, and I'm glad I came in harbor before that. Here is a big and safe harbor, but the water is a little bit dirty. Marsala is a city in the province of Trapani in Sicily. The population is just under 100,000, and the city is mainly famous for its wine. This ferry made 20 or make 26 knots. It's quite fast. So I've been motoring for 6 hours and now it's a little wind. I have about 8.6 knots and in my beam, so it's good. It doesn't go fast, but about 3 knots. But it's quite nice, and it's a clear sky and a lot of stars outside. So it's a nice evening. Time is yeah, it's almost 10 o'clock in the night. It's time consuming to make food in the boat, especially when it's rolling like it's doing now. It takes the double time like normal, I think. To prepare and fix everything. To cook is of course the same. I took down the mainsail. Now it's only the Genoa, and we make the same speed. I was in shadow from the mainsail anyway, so now it's the same speed and it's much nicer. It's not so, it doesn't roll as much as before, so that's good. And the omelette was good also. Everything is good when you're hungry. Believe it or not, suddenly it came a swarm of flies, so I have a lot of them here. I killed many already, but both inside and outside. It came maybe after some ship passed, I don't know. I never got flies in the middle of the sea before. I think it's 15 nautical miles to the closest land. And there's the flies. Unbelievable. I think I killed most of them now. I have a few left inside. It's irritating. But I have tools, good tools. And I damaged it also now. Used it too much. This is why I'm late with the movies. I have a lot of CAD work to do, so my consulting work has been a little bit, it has been a lot this winter, so. But it's nice also. So. Cagliari is capital of Sardinia with a population around 115,000, I can read. It has a lot of industry. It's not just tourism or different agriculture or something like that. And it has been populated since prehistoric times. But it was the Phoenicians who founded the city around 600 BC. It became Roman around 200 BC, and it's the capital of Sardinia thanks to its fine protected harbor. In the next episode, I set course to Ibiza, and thank you for watching.